morning. Hello. Don't mind this. I don't know what happened with that, but my headache are coming back. Don't mind that, but my headaches are coming back. I can feel it and I want to cry. I was talking today with my doctor and he said all my test results are good. So he basically saying that I have migraines, which lasts me almost all month. So all month I'm having headaches, and that is not a good thing because I will need to start drinking medicine. I was just talking with my mum now on my phone, and yeah, we'll still try to do everything to fix everything, but that's what's happening this morning. I wanted to show you what I made recently. So my biggest scrunchie, don't mind all the dust and the bow. So I just need to sew the ends, but it looks beautiful, and I already showed you this one. Yeah, pretty excited. So that's what I was doing this morning, and yeah, I need to start doing something because I was just on my phone all day. I was watching a little bit of TikTok. Yes, I haven't opened yet that one. I need to do that today, definitely. I always start the vlogs without the makeup. Now listen, it's not good. Another thing, I really want to buy a new camera. Now I can see that my phone is better to vlog than my camera. I don't know, I just like it much more. The camera that I have is really big. It's Sony A7C, but it has a huge lens and it's really heavy. Like I can't hold it with one of my hands. So I really want to buy Sony ZV-1, I think. But I don't have money for that. So that's my challenge, to save money for that. I really love vlogging. I love YouTube and I love vlogging. Don't mind this. I just started to clean the room. But yeah, I love vlogging and I'm super excited to jump in this adventure. I wanted to vlog for so long but never started, so I think it's the right time. Like I can't work, I can't do makeup. I have my last client on the 14th of this month and I'm done. I don't have any clients booked, so maybe this will be my new job, doing YouTube. But yeah, let's go and finish tidying up the living room, and then I wanted to sew something. By the way, I wanted to show you my fit, home fit. Adidas leggings and this huge jumper, which I love it. If I will find it, I'll put a link. I love this jumper. So yeah, and another thing, I need to clean the windows of our living room because it's horrendous. And the sun is now out. You know what? Let's do first some product photography quickly, and then I will clean the window. Take pictures of my products. I basically do right here because I do like this color and I love the paneling. So I do the product photos right here. So when the sun is out, it's perfect to shoot. Okay, so these are the products that I'm taking pictures of. So I still need a headband of this fabric, and I still don't know the name. I think I will call this Farah. I don't know why, but yeah. And I still don't know this name. I don't know. Okay, so this is my huge camera, and let's film it. So what I usually do is I'll just start record and I just press record and I move super slowly the product that it would be the middle. Make sure I always count like 1 2 3 1 2 3. So now I wanted to make some content with my hair. I want to put bows into my hair, so I put behind me my camera, and I have here right here the mirror that I could see the viewfinder. So let's do it. So this is the bow, and this is the other one. And this is the scrunchie. Now let's pray that any of the footage will be good. I'll be checking a little bit later, but now I need to really finish to clean the living room and the window. I still have like dead flowers from last week. Remember I showed you in a vlog. On the table they're just sadly dead. Need to put all that trash, and yeah, and then I will start to do the content that I film right now because I don't have any new content to post. So yeah, and this vlog, maybe I'll vlog a little bit later something, and then I'll start editing and I'll upload it today. Yay! Wait, these are just a couple of the products for fall. So I have black velvet, nice fabrics that definitely will look amazing. But yeah, this is just a beginning. But love them, love them. By the way, that's why I didn't want to start vlogging on my phone, because I'm always out of space. I have 2 terabytes I think on this phone, and I'm still out of memory. So I think I have a lot of like makeup related stuff, like my behind the scenes, like with the clients and everything. I think I need to delete as it's not my priority right now, and I just don't feel any emotions around that. Like I don't enjoy it, so I would just rather delete it and have more footage to vlog. Yeah, that's what I would do too. A lot of stuff to do. Let's go and clean the windows. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned the living room. I haven't applied any makeup yet, but yeah, I cleaned the window, I cleaned the mirrors, I cleaned the leaves of the flowers, and I think I will finish the vlog here because I don't have anything else what to vlog. I'll be making dinner and be waiting for my partner. I made some short content, how I create. I showed you already in the vlog how I create my content. So I made a little quick reel and a TikTok and a TikTok and a short. So hopefully that will get any views, because I recently put on YouTube short that I was talking in it, and it got much more views rather when I'm just showing the product and putting some music on. So maybe I need to talk more. I don't know. I just posted on Instagram and I'm posting now on TikTok. By the way, Instagram is dead. Like, I'm not getting any views. I even went to check my settings if I'm not privated my account, because I don't get any views. I will show you in the next vlog maybe, but
it's hilarious. Like, nobody sees my content, like none. So I don't know, how do you grow other than paying for ads? And ads are really expensive, so I don't know what all we need to do. Or maybe just leave Instagram, like just don't care about it, because I do love my YouTube. So yeah, okay, I'm finishing vlog and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
So I just wanted to share a little tip. So I created a LN key, don't mind my nails I just had through, website, and I put my website and my YouTube, and I'll put this on my Instagram link and my TikTok, and then people will be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel or go to my website, because you are able just to put one link on TikTok. And another thing that I really wanted to share, I know a lot of people don't know, is when you have YouTube, so if you don't create your deep link, when you share your channel, then it goes into the browser and you can't subscribe because you're not logged in. But if you have a deep link, then it automatically sends you to the actual YouTube channel that you, like the app that you are signed in, and then people can easily subscribe to you. So I really recommend to have deep links for YouTube and Instagram and other, social media.